Many small business owners dive into Google Workspace with excitement and a can-do attitude, only to find themselves tangled in technical details. It's frustrating to spend hours trying to get everything just right and having trouble succeeding, when your focus should really be on growing your business.
The more I tried to untangle things myself, the worse it got. I don't want to think about all the hours I wasted trying to do it myself.
Setting up Google Workspace for your small business is a huge milestone, and I know how incredibly overwhelming it can be. Just trying it on your own without guidance, not knowing which settings are important or how to update them, it's enough to make anyone frustrated. You're not alone in this, and that's exactly why we created the Setup Squad, to take the burden off your shoulders and ensure that your Google Workspace is set up correctly and easily from the start. Leave the confusion and frustration behind and get your Google Workspace set up correctly so it seamlessly supports the daily operations of your business. With the Setup Squad, you'll gain personalized support and a community that brings clarity, efficiency, and peace of mind.
I loved working with Amy. She helped me transition all of my business needs from a platform not appropriate for my business to an all Google platform. She made the transition feel easy. When all was done, I just felt happy, in control, and ready to continue working.
So what exactly do you get with Setup Squad? Here's how we ensure that your Google Workspace is tailored to you and your business needs. First, a Google Workspace audit to discuss your unique business requirements and review your current Google Workspace settings. Next, personalized prioritized steps, listing the steps that you need to get your Google Workspace working most efficiently for you and your business as soon as possible.
3 hours of one-to-one Google Workspace support.
Live group coaching. Get specific answers to your needs, issues, and questions from a live Google expert. And an online community, a place to connect with other small business owners and ask questions between live coaching sessions.
Plus all of the classes, live sessions, and community included in Google Groupies.
With Setup Squad, you're not just getting a service, you're gaining a partner and a community dedicated to your success. Don't let the complexities of setting up your Google Workspace hold your business back. Join the Setup Squad now to get your Google Workspace set up the right way the first time. Click the link below to get started, and let's embark on this journey to efficiency and growth together. I look forward to helping you succeed.